Hi, I'm Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today to show you some fun little projects you can make with a grandmother's flower garden block. This little pattern is something that I thought would be really great for those of you who want to try out this technique but aren't really sure that you want to make a whole quilt yet, but just so that you can have something to show while you're learning the technique. And I thought it would be great for shops who might want to teach a simple class on this to also have a little pattern that they could give their students to work on some fun projects. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you all of the projects that are included in this pattern. Okay, so let me go ahead and walk you through the three little projects that are included in this new pattern. And again, the reason I did this pattern was we are going to be at Quilt Market, and we wanted to have something fun to demonstrate at our booth. And so we'll be demonstrating how to do English paper-pieced hexagon flowers on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, October 28th, 29th, and 30th. And so what I wanted is, since I was going to be doing this demo mostly for shop owners, I wanted them to be able to have a little pattern that they could take back to their shops and be able to do a little class for their customers, but yet have some way to use the hexagon flowers that their customers made when they learned how to do this. So I came up with these three little projects and put them together, and I had a blast making them for our booth, and I also can't wait to use them in my own home when we get back from market. So the first one is this table topper, and so you just make 4 of the hexagon flowers and have some coordinating fabrics, and the rest is just regular machine piecing, and it's just a really nice little, I think it's 20 inches by 20 inches for the topper. Of course, I used our hexagon print, cheater print, for the backing. And my friend Vicki did the quilting on this. I was super excited that she was able to do it. She did some fun little custom quilting with some little swirls in the middle of the hexagon and just some like little loopy outlining on these hexagons. And we actually took this from a quilt that my friend Val had quilted with hexagons, and I had Vicki do exactly what Val had done in the centers of the hexagons, and then little loops in the half square triangles, and then in the background just some little swirls, and turned out really, really beautiful. And this is a great project that you could make, or if you're a shop owner, that your customers could make to put this to use. If they don't want to make 4, I have a couple projects that just use 1. And this one is just a little table mat. It's a mug rug, it's a table mat. It'd be cute with a little vase of flowers sitting on it. You could also drape it over a shelf and just hang it over. Just a really simple little mat. If you wanted also, you could elongate this and do placemats. You know, I feel like the plate would cover up the flower, but it would still be cute, really cute sitting on your table when there wasn't a plate on it. So you could easily, there's just so many things you can do with this. And I actually just hand quilted this myself when I was watching TV. One night I just went around the edges, inside the edges, and then I just went around the hexagons, and I stitched in the ditch around in between the seams. So that's another idea. Super simple, super easy, super fast, and allows you to try a new technique and have something fun to make with it. And then the last project I have is a little pillow. And this is a 12-inch by 12-inch pillow. And again, I did the hand quilting on this one just while I was watching TV. And just 1 block, and with some accent fabrics, and I went scrappy in the border and brought in the green gingham binding. And for finishing, you can actually watch our video where I share how to put a zipper in your pillow back with a flap cover, and I love it because I can, that way, I can take this pillow out if I want to and use it for another project. And I even thought about making hexagon pillow for the seasons that I would just switch it out with then. So anyway, you'll be able to make all 3 of these projects with the pattern, and they're just really great ways to kind of ease you into English paper piecing Grandmother's Flower Garden blocks. Okay, so thank you so much for stopping by to watch today's video with my medley of flower garden projects. I was really excited about this and really looking forward to sharing the demos on this at our booth in Quilt Market in October 2023. So hoping that a lot of shop owners will come by and see our demo on how to make these English paper pieced Grandmother's Flower Garden blocks. We do have a video on that we'll have referenced in the description, so you can see how to make the blocks. And then we also have a separate video where I show how to applique the blocks to the background fabric. Both are very simple and easily done by a beginner. And then, yeah, the pattern is available that has all 3 of these small projects. If you enjoyed today's video, please share it with a friend, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.